two walls done for the batons. Top and bottom, you've seen the top one I already did yesterday. I'll just put the other couple on there. The wife wants another socket down here now, so rather than doing the ring as this and wasting all that cable for one extra socket, for that one I'll just do a spur down the bottom. We only want it for a tabletop lamp, nothing major for the. So I'm going to measure up, hopefully on the Welsh dresser down the bottom there. There's about 6-8 inches or so at the back. So hopefully I'll have a bit of clearance at the bottom. I can tuck it away behind, and if she wants a lamp we can plug it in and come out the gap. So that's what I'm going to get on with now. Right, we're just about to put the socket on. I've just measured that dresser. The base of it is 6.5 inch, so just sitting that on that plate, I know my plug heads are going to be lower than the unit, so it's not going to give me any problems in the future. I don't really want to see this socket, so I've come in, so this will be hidden anyway. I only really want one socket, but I've got double boxes coming out my ears, so I'm just going to sit it. I know this wood's level, so I've just done that. Mark through the hole, give it a drill. Little sweep. Try and keep on top of the mess. Not always easy. Right, a couple of plugs. Bit over top these plugs, but I've ran out. I've just sent the wife to town. Well, she's gone to town. She couldn't wait to get out of the way, I don't think. So. That's a couple of screws. I always like to go over the top with screws. No worse than a loose back box when you're plugging in and out sockets. Oh, solid. Get away. Right, next little part. Got the socket on. I might as well run my trunk in. I've got to put my trunk in lids. Well, not the lids, trunking back parts round. They're self-adhesive, but I don't trust them, so I'm going to drill and wall plug them as well. Well, trunking's on. Over the top, screwed in. And the lids will stop all my single coils dropping behind the clad. Job's good, so I'm just going to pull them cables in now. And then we can start cladding hopefully. So that's the cable pulled in. I've got my spur running down to the bottom there. Ample cable there. That's my spur, which I'm not going to connect. So I ain't going to get round. I ain't got no socket fronts, and I don't want to put them on until I've cladded. So what I've done, that's my ring main, if you like, and I've got rid of this socket. I'm going to joint that, and I've got some like rubber wrap. I'm going to wrap around that now. These are crimps, really good crimps. Don't really like jointing cable, but I ain't plastering this outbuilding, so we're just going to do a bit of filling on there. I'm going to wrap them up, and then we're all sorted. Right, so we're done. The shrink wrapped up. Power's back on. Yes, Darren. Go on then. Oh! Ah! Oh, you got me! Ah! Oh! Oh! No, don't finish me! Ah! there. There's the ball. That's what I need to make sure. Yeah, spot. Right. Finish a bit more tomorrow. I'll tidy up outside before the rain gets here, but